Welcome to your 10-minute morning yoga flow.
Start your day with energy and calm. This simple, beginner-friendly yoga flow can be done at home in just 10 minutes. No experience or special equipment is needed, just a comfortable space and an open mind. Embrace these gentle stretches and mindful breathing to wake up your body and set a positive tone for the rest of your day.
Prepare your space and mind.
Find a quiet spot and roll out your mat. Wear comfortable clothing and take a moment to focus on your breath. Begin by standing tall, feet hip-width apart, and take a few deep inhales and exhales. Let your shoulders relax. This mindful start helps you connect with your body and prepares you for the movements ahead.
Gentle warm-up, cat-cow and child's pose.
Begin on your hands and knees. Move through cat-cow by arching your back as you inhale and rounding it as you exhale. Repeat several times to warm up your spine. Next, sit back into child's pose, reaching your arms forward and taking slow, steady breaths. These poses gently release tension and improve flexibility.
Flowing with Sun Salutations.
You should stand up and move through a basic sun salutation. Reach your arms overhead, fold forward to touch your toes, and step back into a gentle plank or tabletop. Lower down, then lift your chest into a cobra pose. Return to standing and repeat the sequence a couple of times. This flow boosts circulation and energizes your
Balance and stretch, warrior and downward dog.
Step into Warrior 1 by lunging forward, grounding your feet, and reaching your arms up. Hold briefly, feeling the strength in your legs. Move into Downward Facing Dog, pressing your hands and feet into the mat and stretching your back. These poses help build balance, strength, and focus to support you throughout the day.
Closing, seated breath, and mindful intentions.
Finish seated with legs crossed and hands resting on your knees. Take a few deep breaths, noticing any changes in your body and mind. Set a simple intention for your day, such as staying positive or being kind to yourself. Gentle stretches and mindful breathing in the morning can boost your energy and improve your well-being all day long.